Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I picked up a new watch, but I could not pass this one up. This absolute beauty is a feast to your eyes. This is the Militado ML03. I grabbed this watch for $69, includes shipping to India, and it took about 22 days to reach my doorstep. Without any further delay, let's get right into the unboxing. Starting off with the unboxing, it arrives in this clean, solid outer cardboard box, so no worries about transit damage. You get a proper hard shell travel case along with it. Super practical, right? Inside, there is your standard user manual along with an international warranty card, which gives you 1 full year of coverage in case of any manufacturing defects. They even included a handy spring bar removal tool right in the box. Now let's get to the star of the show. If this classic black color is not your vibe, Militado offers this exact model in warm brown leather option as well. You can check it out. Peeling off the plastic, we have got a genuine leather paired with solid 316L stainless steel buckle. It's built like a tank for daily wear. This square cushion case design gives off serious vintage dress watch vibes, paying homage to classic 1920s style. Look at the dial finish. It is a solid 316L stainless steel case measuring 43.1 mm lug-to-lug width and the case diameter of 36 mm. Strap width is 18 mm and the overall thickness of the watch is 11.75 mm including the glass. Up top, you are getting a domed sapphire crystal with clear AR coating. This watch has screw-down crown which also made up with the same 316L stainless steel. Setting up the time is feeling crisp. Under the hood, it is driven by the super accurate and reliable Seiko VD78 Quartz movement. And just check out those heat-blued hands popping off that classic dial. That contrast in the light is insane. Flipping it around, you have got a clean, screw-down 316L stainless steel case back, keeping everything tight and secure. Now for the wrist roll. As you guys know, I have got 6.5 inch wrist, and this 43.1 mm lug-to-lug sits in absolute perfection. Since it is a vintage style dress watch, it is super versatile. You can easily rock this for formal occasions, weddings, office views, or even for a smart casual weekend dinner. Let's take out this black strap and do a quick swap over to the brown leather option to see how really good this case design is. Look at that, the brown leather strap completely transformed the watch into an old school vintage strap monster. Honestly, at $69, which comes out around approximately 6,700 rupees, we get sapphire glass, 100 mm of water resistance and this level of finishing. This is insane value for money. By the way, looking at this cushion case and the classic dial, which famous iconic watch does this remind you of? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.